Are you some sort of sovereign citizen or something?
No, I'm not, and that's defamation.
I'm sorry? I'm asking you a question. I'm not telling
No,
you.
sir, I do not work for the police.
Well, you got your diamonds and you got your fancy clothes. The chauffeur drives you around and you let everybody know that you don't play with Sapp, 'cause you're playing with fire. Warren Sapp is fire. What is up, everybody? How are you? This video was sent to me by Warren Sapp. This is an incident that happened to him at Colorado. I forgot the name of the city. Post office, where this lady comes in. She says everything's fine. Of course, you're allowed to record here. It says it right on the wall. Well, her partner didn't get the memo. He comes in, changes the whole thing over, and it flips the script. The next thing you know, the lady who was agreeing with Warren 30 seconds ago changes her whole tune and steps behind the blue line where she belongs. You cannot trust them. So Warren sent me this. I'm sending it to you. If you don't know who Warren Sapp is, Google Warren Sapp, because you don't play with Sapp, because you're playing with fire. That's why I said fire. I got bronchitis. All right, guys, enjoy the video. Like, subscribe, hit the smash button. See you.
Supposed to 7 on the wall.
Yeah.
And I had the right. He said he knew I had the right, but then he wanted to still tell me to point it at the box.
Gotcha.
And then the lady came out and filed out a little bit.
Okay.
I'm like, whoa.
So
Let me speak to the postmaster real quick, you know?
Yeah. So he's going to go talk with her, see what's going on.
What's your name, badge number?
Officer Rollins, so it's you. You want my card?
Oh, my
Yeah,
God.
this card.
Oh, no. It's trying to give me one. I'll take one from you. They got to know this, right?
You would think. You would.
But it's on the wall, right?
Yeah.
And then it says, I know you have the right to point it at the floor and, you know, point it at the box. I'm like,
Yeah.
we're in the middle of public. Are you kidding me right now?
Yeah.
I can get all these video cameras.
I agree. Yeah.
Come on, we gotta do better than this.
I know.
We gotta do better than this.
I agree.
We gotta do better than this. And I was just gonna ask for the postmaster email and everything, and she made me wait so y'all could come.
Yeah,
So they call the
right.
police on me. And
Yeah.
that's definitely not right.
Yeah.
It's definitely not
I
right. I
agree.
haven't done anything.
And that's why we showed up, just to make sure there wasn't like an actual disturbance. But if you're just sitting here and
No, you
recording,
got it. What did they
you're
say?
fine.
What did they say? Did they call
They
911?
said, yeah, they called cops.
No, did they call 911 or the 911?
Oh, I don't know. I don't know. It didn't say.
They don't tell you that in dispatch?
No.
So what did they say?
What do you mean?
No, when they gave you from dispatch, what did they say?
I think it's a disturbance at the post office, but I'm not quite sure.
Yeah.
But they didn't tell us if it was through 911 or non-emergency.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Hey, sir, how you doing? I'm wonderful. What's your name? My good man?
Mr. Sapp.
What's your name and badge number, good man?
Mr. Sapp.
What is your
I tell you what,
name
Mr.
and
Sapp,
badge
can we
number,
talk
sir?
outside, please?
I just asked you your name and badge number.
John Hayes. I'll give you a card. We're going to talk about that.
I'll have to give him one.
You can't talk over here, John?
If you want to. Well, I'm just trying to keep it cool. Yeah, no
Oh,
problem.
some lady's coming behind
We're
you.
having a consensual conversation, aren't we?
Not necessary.
So I mean,
You want to do it?
you hear this? You hear
Yeah,
him?
with
You want
Officer
to
Hayes.
help him out? Come on, John. Let me help you out. Let me help you out. She want to die.
I don't.
Keep that on my name. Keep that on my name. You even tell me I'm the king for a crime.
Oh,
All right. So, did you talk to anybody from the staff?
I came in to mail my package.
Okay.
That's definitely from the door, my man. So you won't say you blocking the door?
No, we're fine. Go ahead.
All right. So I came in to mail my package.
Yes, sir.
And I was recording my transaction with my government.
Right.
Which is my right, correct?
Absolutely. 1,000%. Yes, sir.
So how am I trespassing?
So, she told me that at some point she asked you to leave. Is that correct? Okay.
What are you recording?
Okay. So, that's
You know
just
what
what's
they
been
told
told to me.
to point this at the box.
Yeah. Okay.
I said, this is my right.
Right, and we had that talk.
The postal savage is on the wall.
Yes, sir.
And you came out and said you detaining me
Correct.
for trespassing. How'd you get to that?
sorry. I try not to be in the way.
Oh, listen.
I'm going off of the information that she told me.
You don't
because-
investigate?
Are you gonna let me finish, Mr. Sapp?
No, I just had to hit you with that.
If you don't want to let me finish,
No,
we
go
can
right
walk
ahead, go
away.
right ahead.
Okay, so I'm going off the information that she told me. Okay, she said, "Hey, this is what happened. This is why I'm calling, and that's why I'm talking
What did she
to
say?
you." I just told you.
She said, this is what happened and this is why you...
At some point, you were recording, which I told her, which is perfectly normal and perfectly legal. So no issues
right.
at all. Yeah, 1,000%.
Okay, all right.
No issues at all.
Mhm.
And that's been explained to her. But she said, hey, I asked this gentleman to leave, and he's still here.
Did she tell you that I walked up to her and said, may I have your name and email, the postmaster?
She did not.
Hold on, I didn't interrupt you, so let me finish what
Yes,
I said.
sir.
I said, may I have your name and email, the postmaster's name and email. She said, he'll be off the phone in a minute. I said, how long? She was just holding me here so you could get here. That's all this was.
Of course she didn't tell me that.
Of course not. But I got it all recorded right here, Mr. Harris.
It's no problem.
But I was getting back to this detainment part.
Okay.
You don't investigate before you detain?
But again, I'm going off of
That
what
was
she
a question.
said. And then I see
That was
you
a
still
question.
here. Huh?
That was a question for you.
Re-ask, please.
Do you not investigate before you detain?
And that's what we're doing.
You just detained me. You
Right.
just said I was detained.
But now we're
What was
done.
the investigation?
I just
before
told
the
you.
detainment.
I explained all that to you.
You came out of that thing. I asked you for your name.
So,
and
Mr.
badge
Sapp, I'm
number.
just going fast
Hold
forward, so we're kind of past that.
on.
They don't want you
Where's
here.
your supervisor?
He's down the street.
Can I
They
get
don't
your
want
supervisor,
you
please?
here.
Can I get your supervisor?
I'll call
I
him.
have the right to be here.
Not at this point. All right, so they want you
Let
to
me get
leave.
your supervisor.
Mr. Sapp, they
Let
want
me
you to
get
leave.
your supervisor.
Mr. Sapp, are you
Harris,
not
please.
willing to leave?
I'm outside.
Okay, so you're still
I'm
on
not
their
outside.
property. They don't want you to come back
I'm not
out.
outside. This is not public property.
No, sir.
Ms. Rollins,
Yes.
am I not standing on public property?
I think our sergeant is here.
Am I not standing on public property?
Listen, Officer
No, I'm
Harris.
asking a question. Am I not standing on public property?
Officer Harris already explained it to you.
No. He didn't ask about public property. Am I not standing on public property?
Officer
That's what
Harris
I'm
already
asking.
explained it to you.
Officer Harris, am I
Yes.
not standing on public property?
Didn't he just call out here?
With the American flag right here, I am not standing on public property.
So you asked
You just told me.
So
You
you
just
asked
told
me
me.
a question. I gave you an answer.
So where am I standing?
At a post office.
A United States post office, right?
We are in the United
And
States.
the United States is owned by who? Because I think
That I don't.
I think
I don't have
We the
specifics
people.
on who owns the United States.
we the people.
Sure. But they're asking you to leave.
Brother,
Now,
I was never asked to leave.
if you
Didn't
want
we
my
already
sig-
cover that?
I'm telling
Didn't we
you
cover
now.
that? Didn't we cover
I'm
that?
telling you now. She's
I wasn't
telling
asking
me.
me. Everything's on video.
So
I was never asked.
She's telling me to leave.
I thought I heard you.
Are you tired of government overreach and eroded freedoms? At tac-us.org, we're fighting back. We're the Transparency Accountability Coalition, a nonprofit defending your constitutional rights. No partisanship, just principle. From protecting free speech to demanding transparency, we're here for you. Visit tac-us.org to learn more and join the movement. tac-us.org, because your rights deserve a voice. Act now.